Okay, so here it says, here is the second position. Again, show the mate by an arrow. So just to recap, these are situations, the situation that is given here. This is a situation where there can be, where we are playing with the white, right? And it is our move. And there can be more than one moves here, which can put the black king under check. But not all of those possible moves are the ones which are also checkmate. It means uh, most of those moves will be something, most of those checks will be something that the black king uh, or the black team will be able to evade. But one of them would be a checkmate where it will be a check and there would be no possible move for the black to come out of the check, come out of the attack, and it will be defeated. It will be checkmated. So we have to show what will be the white's move such that it is a checkmate for the black. I have created the same setup in the board editor below. So we are going to try all of those moves and see which one is the checkmate. So being white, if we look at the white pawn, it is not, a white pawn cannot be, like, it can only move one. It is not in a position to move to any square which will put the black king here in the check. It is too far away and it is not in its immediate neighborhood, and that will not create any checkmate move. It will not even create a check move. So we are going to try with other white pieces, which are queen here, bishop here, and then rook here. First of all, let's look at the queen. The queen looks free to move in a lot of directions towards the black king. So it can move vertically up, it can move diagonally up towards the king, and it can move towards the right. What are its moves that will put the black king under check, right? So if it moves vertically to put the king under check, it will have to move all the way up to this square, which is g8. So from b3, it moves diagonally up towards g8, and then it creates a check on the black king. So king is under attack from the white queen here. It is checking the king. Now, is it possible for the black team to neutralize this attack? If is it possible for the white black team to kill this queen in order to neutralize the attack? So yes, it looks like this king can be killed. It can be killed by the king itself. And if the king is to kill the white queen to neutralize the attack, we see that this new position from the this new position of the white queen is actually protected from the white bishop here, right? So we have to remember that white bishop is protecting the white queen here. So if the king is to kill, that king would still be under attack from the white bishop. So the king cannot move to kill the white queen. This white queen is can be killed by the black rook here. So if I move the black rook vertically one step above to kill the queen, although the black rook is under attack by the white bishop, but the black king is not under attack by white bishop here on the white square, but it is under attack by the black bishop then. You see? So moving this rook will put the black bishop will put the black king under attack from the black bishop. So we cannot move this rook. although both the pieces, uh, the black king and the black rook can kill the white queen, but both of those situations will result in the king still be under attack and not be able to come out of attack. So killing this white queen to neutralize the attack is not an option. There is no empty squares between the white queen and the king here, so no black pieces can come in between them. Is there a chance that black king then move to a square where it is not under attack anymore? It can only move to this square here because it is blocked here, and it is blocked here, and it cannot capture this white queen we already saw, so it can only move vertically down one step, and if it moves here it is still under attack by the white queen. So this move is basically a checkmate. It cannot be evaded by killing the white queen or the checking piece. There is no possibility of bringing any black pieces to protect the king, or there is no possibility to move the king to a new position where it is not under attack. So this is a checkmate. So if this is the going back to the original position, if we have to draw an arrow to show the move which is a checkmate, it would be from this white queen at b3, moving it all the way to g8. Having found the answer, we would also like to try what are the other possible check moves. So one check move with the queen was to move it diagonally up. Another way to create a check with this queen is to move it vertically up all the way to b8, from b3 to b8, and this now creates check on the black king. So black king is under check from the white queen. To neutralize this attack, killing the white queen is not a possibility. No black piece is directly attacking this white queen, but there are a lot of empty squares between the white queen and the black king, and this rook is in a position to come between them. But we saw that moving this rook, if we move this rook, it will open the line of attack from the black bishop, right? So moving this rook is not something that will protect the king, that will neutralize the attack. So the third way is to move this king to a new position such that it is not under any line of attack anymore. So the king cannot move here because if it can move here, but it would be under attack from the white bishop and the black queen. This entire row is under attack. It is blocked by this rook here. So only way for the king to move is bottom one, and if we move the king one way vertically down, this new square is not under attack from any white piece. So this check has been this attack has been neutralized. I mean, this attack has been evaded by moving the king vertically down by one position. So this is not a checkmate. Another way to create, so these are the only two ways with using the white queen with which we can create a check on black king. Now we are going to try with the black bishop. So to move the black bishop to create a check on to move the white bishop to create a check on the black king, we have to move it in the direction of the king. And if we move the black bishop diagonally towards the king all the way to capture the black rook, it would put the black king under check. So if we move it diagonally all the way towards the king to capture the black rook. Now the black king is under attack. To evade this attack, this white bishop can be killed. It can be killed by the king, and since this position is not protected by any white piece right now, there is no white piece that is protecting this position. So if we kill the bishop by king, the king is not under attack anymore. There is no white piece attacking the king now. Let's go back one position. Sorry, this was white bishop. The white bishop here can also be killed by the black queen, and moving this black queen does not put the king under any kind of attack from any white piece, and this position is not under attack. So if we kill the white bishop, if we capture the white bishop with the black queen, the king is again not in any line of attack, so the check is neutralized. So moving it to the original setup, so this black bishop, using this black bishop, check is not a checkmate. This black bishop cannot be moved towards the, this white bishop on the white square cannot be moved towards the black king to capture or to make, to put it in check. And anyway, this white bishop cannot check the black king, because the black king right now is on a black square, and bishop, this bishop is on a white square, and we know about bishops that bishops move on the same colored squares throughout the game. So this white bishop can only capture on the white squares, and the king is on a black square. So anyway, this white bishop cannot create any checking opportunities in the next move. And similarly, this white rook cannot be moved towards the black king because it is blocked here. It cannot go vertically up. It can only go towards its left, and moving it towards any of these squares towards its left is not putting the black king in direct attack. So checking is not possible with this white rook and with this white bishop. But we saw some of the checking positions with the white queen and this white bishop, but only one of them was made, which is to move this white queen all the way diagonally up here to g8 to create check, right? So if we check the answer, it would be like, my answer to draw an arrow would be an arrow from this b3 diagonally up going all the way towards g8 to put the black king under check, and it is a checkmate. So let us check the answer. Yes, so it says the black rook pinned by one of the white's bishop stands by powerless. Yes, this black rook cannot be moved because it opens the line of attack to this black king from the white bishop on these black squares. So it is pinned, it cannot be moved. So if we move the white queen here, this cannot kill, and the king cannot kill the white queen, because then it will be under line of attack from the white bishop at the white squares. So yeah, thank you.